Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Cast.
Hello, everyone. We are happy to have you here today.
Today we are going to learn how to train your brain to think in English.
This is one of the most important skills for becoming fluent in English.
Many English learners understand English, but they still translate everything in their heads.
That makes speaking slow and sometimes stressful.
Have you ever been in a conversation where you knew the answer but couldn't say it quickly?
Yes, it happens to many learners.
Your brain first thinks in your native language.
Then it tries to translate the sentence into English.
That process takes time.
And it makes conversations difficult.
The good news is that you can train your brain to think directly in English.
And today, we will learn how.
Let's start with a simple daily life example.
Great idea.
Imagine you are sitting in your living room.
You see a sofa.
You see a television.
You see a table.
Most learners think of these objects in their native language first.
But fluent English speakers think directly in English.
So instead of translating, simply look at the object and think table.
Look at the television and think television.
Look at the sofa and think sofa.
This sounds simple, but it is very powerful.
Your brain starts building direct English connections.
And those connections become stronger every day.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure.
When I started learning English, I translated every sentence.
Me too.
If someone asked me a question, I needed several seconds to answer.
I have the same problem.
Then I started describing everything around me in English.
What happened?
My responses became faster.
And your confidence increased too.
Exactly.
Confidence grows through practice.
Haha, that's true. Sometimes I translated so much that the conversation ended before I answered.
Haha, that's true. Many English learners have experienced that.
Now let's learn some useful English phrases.
Great.
I am thinking in English.
I am improving every day.
I can describe what I see.
I don't need to translate everything.
I am becoming more confident.
English is becoming easier for me.
Let's summarize today's lesson.
Thinking in English is a skill.
You can develop that skill with daily practice.
Start with simple objects around you.
Avoid translating whenever possible.
Your brain will gradually build direct English connections.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Let's continue learning how to train our brains in English.
Many learners ask an important question. Why is thinking in English so important?
The answer is simple.
Thinking directly in English makes speaking faster.
Imagine someone asks you a question.
What is your favorite food?
If you translate everything, your brain works very hard.
First, you understand the question.
Then you translate it into your native language.
Then you think of an answer.
Finally, you translate your answer back into English.
That takes a lot of time.
But fluent speakers do something different.
They think directly in English.
Question.
What is your favorite food?
Answer.
My favorite food is pizza.
No translation.
Just direct communication.
Let's imagine your brain is like a small path through a forest.
Interesting.
The first time you walk through the forest, it is difficult.
There are many trees and obstacles.
But if you walk the same path every day, it becomes easier.
Soon you can walk without thinking.
The same thing happens in your brain.
Every time you think in English, you create a stronger pathway.
That pathway becomes faster and stronger.
Eventually, English starts feeling natural.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure.
When I first learned English, I translated every sentence.
How did that feel?
Slow and frustrating.
What changed?
I started thinking about simple things in English.
Like what?
I am hungry. I am tired. I need some coffee.
Simple daily thoughts.
Exactly.
And over time, those thoughts became automatic.
Yes, they did.
That's true. Sometimes I even dream in English.
That's true. That's when you know your brain is improving. Let's learn some useful English phrases. I am hungry.
I am tired.
I need some water.
I need some coffee.
I am ready to go.
I feel happy today.
These simple thoughts help train your brain.
Practice them every day.
Let's summarize.
Thinking in English creates stronger language pathways.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Start with simple daily thoughts.
Your brain will gradually stop translating.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you in part 3.
Goodbye, everyone.
Let's continue learning how to think in English naturally.
In this part, we will learn a powerful technique called mental substitution.
That sounds interesting.
Mental substitution is very simple.
Whenever you have a thought, try expressing it in English.
Let's look at an example.
Imagine you are drinking coffee.
You might think, this coffee is good.
That's a simple sentence.
Now let's express the same idea differently.
This coffee tastes great.
I really like this coffee.
This coffee is delicious.
Notice something important.
All the sentences have the same meaning.
Exactly.
But your brain is learning multiple ways to express the same thought.
That makes speaking easier.
Because you always have more than one option.
Let's try another example.
Imagine you are tired after work.
You can say, I am tired.
Or, I feel exhausted.
Or, I need some rest.
3 different ways to communicate the same idea.
Exactly.
This technique improves fluency.
And it also improves vocabulary.
Because you learn new expressions naturally.
Let's imagine another situation.
You are waiting for a friend.
You can say, I am waiting for my friend.
Or, my friend hasn't arrived yet.
Or, I'm still waiting.
Again, same meaning.
Different expressions.
This is exactly how fluent speakers think.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure. When I first learned English, I always searched for the perfect sentence.
That sounds familiar.
If I forgot one word, I stopped speaking.
Many learners do that.
Then I realized something important.
What was it?
Communication is more important than perfection.
That's a great lesson.
Instead of finding the perfect sentence, I learned to say the same thing differently.
And your conversations became easier.
Exactly.
That's true. Sometimes we spend 2 minutes searching for one word.
Haha, that's true. Meanwhile, the conversation keeps moving.
That's why flexibility is important.
Now, let's learn some useful English phrases.
Great.
This coffee is good.
This coffee tastes great.
I am tired.
I need some rest.
I am waiting for my friend.
My friend hasn't arrived yet.
These expressions help your brain think more naturally.
Practice them every day.
Let's summarize.
Mental substitution helps you express ideas in different ways.
Don't search for perfect sentences.
Focus on communicating your ideas.
The more options you have, the more fluent you become.
Thank you for learning with us.
So far, we have learned why thinking in English is important.
We also learned how to use mental substitution.
Now let's learn another powerful technique.
Inner monologue.
What is an inner monologue?
An inner monologue is simply the voice inside your head.
The voice you use when thinking.
Exactly.
Most people use their native language for their inner monologue.
But English learners should slowly start using English instead.
How can we do that?
Let's start with simple situations.
Imagine you wake up in the morning.
Instead of thinking in your native language, think,
Good morning. I slept well.
I feel great today.
Now you're already thinking in English.
That's surprisingly simple.
Yes, it is.
Let's imagine another situation.
You are making breakfast.
You can think, I am making breakfast.
I need some eggs.
I would like a cup of coffee.
These are real thoughts.
And that is why they are effective.
Your brain learns English through daily life.
Exactly. What happens if we don't know a word?
Don't stop.
Really?
Yes.
What should we do instead?
Describe the idea using simple English.
Can you give an example?
Sure.
Imagine you forget the word refrigerator.
Instead of stopping, say, the place where I keep food cold.
Excellent.
You're still communicating.
And your brain stays in English mode.
That's very important.
Now let's talk about emotions.
Emotions?
Yes.
Most people think emotions in their native language.
Let's change that.
How?
When you are happy, think,
I am happy today.
this is wonderful.
I feel excited.
When you are frustrated, think,
This is difficult.
I need to stay calm.
I will keep practicing.
Now, English becomes part of your emotions.
And not just part of your studies.
Exactly. Let me share a personal example.
Sure.
I started talking to myself in English for 5 minutes every day.
What happened?
At first, it felt strange.
That's normal.
But after a few weeks, English thoughts appeared naturally.
That's exactly what we want.
Haha, that's true. Sometimes I even started talking to myself in public.
That's true. Just make sure people don't think you're having an argument with yourself.
Good advice.
Now let's learn some useful English phrases.
Great.
I feel happy today.
I need some coffee.
I am getting ready for work.
I am looking forward to today.
This is interesting.
I can do this.
Let's summarize.
Use English in your inner monologue.
Think about daily activities in English.
Express your emotions in English.
Don't stop when you forget a word.
Describe the idea using simple English.
Thank you for learning with us. This is the final part of our lesson on thinking in English.
So far, we have learned why thinking in English is important.
We learned mental substitution and inner monologue.
Now, let's learn how to practice effectively every day.
Many learners ask the same question.
How can I improve faster?
One powerful method is called shadowing.
What is shadowing?
Shadowing means listening to a native speaker and repeating what they say.
Almost like an echo?
Exactly. For example, listen to a sentence.
I enjoy learning English every day.
Then repeat it immediately.
I enjoy learning English every day.
This improves pronunciation.
It improves fluency.
And it helps your brain think faster in English.
That's a great technique.
Another powerful method is recording yourself.
Many learners don't like hearing their own voice.
That's true.
But it is one of the best ways to improve.
Choose a simple topic.
For example, my daily routine.
Record yourself speaking for 1 minute.
Then listen carefully.
Notice your pronunciation.
Notice your grammar.
Notice your speaking speed.
Then record again.
Each recording will be better.
That's how improvement happens.
Now, let's talk about mental blocks.
Every English learner experiences them.
Sometimes your mind suddenly becomes blank.
You know the answer, but the words don't come out.
Don't panic.
Stay calm.
Use simple filler phrases.
For example,
Let me think.
that's a good question.
Give me a moment.
I'm not sure, but...
These phrases give your brain extra time.
And they sound natural.
Let's imagine another situation.
You forget a difficult word.
What should you do?
Don't stop speaking.
Describe the idea using simple English.
Communication is more important than perfection.
Exactly.
Fluent speakers do this all the time.
Let me share a personal example.
Sure.
When I started speaking English, I was afraid of mistakes.
Many learners feel the same way.
Then I realized something important.
What was it?
Mistakes are part of learning.
Absolutely.
Every mistake taught me something new.
And every conversation made you stronger.
Exactly.
Haha, that's true. Sometimes our biggest English teacher is our own mistake.
That's true. I've learned many lessons from embarrassing mistakes.
And now let's learn some useful English phrases.
Let me think.
That's a good question.
Give me a moment.
I'm not sure, but
I understand.
could you repeat that, please?
These phrases are very useful in real conversations.
Practice them often.
Now, let's summarize everything we learned.
Think directly in English whenever possible.
Use mental substitution.
Use inner monologue.
Use shadowing every day.
Record yourself speaking.
Don't fear mistakes.
Stay patient and consistent.
English fluency is a journey.
Small daily practice creates big results.
Thank you for joining us today.
We hope this lesson helps you think in English more naturally.
Keep practicing English every day.
Keep speaking with confidence.
Thank you for watching Mr. English Cast.
Goodbye, everyone, and see you in the next lesson.